When doing your research, awareness of the type of source you're using is important. While popular sources like websites, newspapers, and glossy magazines can fulfill your information needs at times and may also be a great starting point for choosing your research topic, scholarly sources are needed for in-depth research. Scholarly sources are referred to as academic, refereed, and peer-reviewed sources. Peer-reviewed sources go through a process of critical evaluation by one or more experts on the subject to evaluate originality, quality of research, clarity of presentation, etc. Changes may be suggested to the authors before an article is finally accepted for publication. Other types of sources are trade or professional sources, and while they're not peer-reviewed, they are at least written by someone that is credible in the field. Let's have a look at some of the features in these three different types of sources. Popular sources are secondary sources that discuss someone else's research. They're written for the general public and written by a journalist that has been paid to write articles and may not be a subject expert, and the layout of the article will be informal. Scholarly sources are in-depth primary accounts of original findings. They're written for scholars, researchers, and students, and they're written by scholars or specialists in the subject. The author's credentials will be provided, and lastly, the layout will be structured. It will include an abstract, goals and objectives, methodology, results, discussion, conclusion, and a bibliography. Trade or professional sources have current news, trends, and products for professionals that are in the field. They're written for professionals in the field. They're written by professionals in the field. The structure of trade sources is informal. Evidence may be drawn from personal experience or common knowledge, and it is not peer-reviewed. You are now familiar with popular, scholarly, and trade sources. Good luck with your research.